Breakfast. So, ang food ko ay hash brown tapos mushroom pepper steak with egg and pineapple juice. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go na. Sabi ng friend ko, babiyahin na daw ako. So, this is my outfit. Wait, oh gosh. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-shoes, pero ito yung outfit ko. I'm not sure how I feel about it because it's not what I planned. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na low-rise pala yung nabala kong jeans. And lahat ng shirt ko dito ay crop top at sleeveless. And apparently may dress code dun. So, ayun. Pero okay naman siya. I mean, ito naman yung outfit na plinan ko. But for the other day sana. Pero okay na yan. Ito yung bag ko. It's a tote bag and mag-shoes na ako kasi baka malate pa ako. Guys, dalawang sakay ata siya pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung second na sakay, kaya lalakarin ko na lang, like Google Maps. Sana tama yung mapuntahan ko. I'll update you later.
Department can be very persuasive. Oh, you clever little minx.
Hi guys, so I just finished an online course and I'm gonna cook brunch, late brunch, because later I'm gonna go out. Pupunta ulit ako sa PLM. Hi guys, it's currently 1:30 and I'm trying to clean my shoes with KS wipes. So, tinetest ko if gumagana siya. And so far, ito ay ink ng pentel pen. Like marker. So far, medyo natanggal naman siya pero hindi siya ganun kalinis. Comparison. Yan. Ito yung may wipes na. Ito yung wala. So, ang dumi. Wait lang. It's my OOTD. Kita ba? Ayan. Blue jeans and white shirt. Lana Del Rey. Charot. And sneakers. Bye. Guys, di ko kaya yung init. Uuwi na ako. Nahihilo na ako. Ayoko rin gumastos. Tsaka gagastos ako, pero doon na lang saan. Malapit sa Airbnb.
From my core zone, love Rose. Core zone's
falling apart, trying to work together. So
Saan na yung TikTok? Hi guys, so I just got ready. I'm going to UPCM to submit my to follow documents for med school, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to meet one of my classmates there before. Tapos after that, I'm gonna meet my childhood best friend in Diliman. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get there. I'll figure it out later. So yeah, ayun. May klase pa yung childhood best friend ko though. So, I think magtatambay na lang ako sa cafe and then edit vlogs that I have filmed before na yung December pa. So, ayun. I'll see you guys later. Dahin ko na lang kayo. Hi guys, napasa ko na requirements ko, pero umaambon. Like, I was supposed to go to Diliman already, pero umaambon. So I think I'm gonna go back to my Airbnb. Tapos, kukuha ako ng payong. I'm not really sure kung paano ba to. Update, pero mabilis lang kasi natatakot na ako. Char, mali na naman ang nababaan ko, pero medyo malapit na ata to sa kaya. Ewan ko. Commute era, mali-mali na naman. Yeah.
Hindi, pag kami madam, mga taga-pumunta Paano yun? Hindi naman madami.
Lumabas na. Ayun, sige.